Hello everyone, it is now Monday afternoon, so clearly this is late. I was hoping to always do my plan with me's on Monday morning to set up my week. However, it's been kind of a crazy Monday. I didn't get it done. I feel completely at a loss because I didn't have my planner to look at this morning while I was in class, and it was very disturbing. So, here is the sticker kit for this week. I'm using a freebie from PlannerOneLove. It's gorgeous and Halloween-y, and it's purple and pink. Not usually a color combination that I go with, but it's beautiful. It matches my planner, which makes me ridiculously happy. I think it's adorable. So yeah, and this time, since I am cutting it out by hand, just like last week, I'm actually going to pause the video while I cut some pieces out and get things ready to put in the planner, because I felt like that just took a ridiculously long amount of time last week. So anyway, yes, cutting everything out by hand. Okay. So here are the stickers I cut out, the ones that I decided for sure that I want to use. I may decide on a few more later on. I still had quite a few left. But yeah, so sorry, puppies are making noise once again. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to start off with. I have the washi, and I did decide I was going to use these full boxes for every day this week to write my lists on instead of just writing on the lines. So see how that works out. My little today to-do stickers, full boxes, ones I couldn't live without, a weekend sticker that is kind of big. Might not be able to use that one, but anyway. Okay, so starting to fast forward here, and just to make this move a little more quickly, I started off with the washi. That just seems to be the most logical place for me to start with the layout, especially as I'm trying to make the stickers fit where they're not necessarily designed to fit. Just if any sticker makers are listening to this ever, I would love to see some more specific plum paper stickers. I'm sure it's a pain to do multiple sizes of sticker kits, and I certainly don't have the graphic design ability to do it, but I would dearly love to see just stuff that's sized a little better. I will continue to cut and paste and, make it work, because I really like the plum paper planners and all the customizable options that they have compared to Erin Condren and Happy Planners, things like that. But yeah, so I started to add the full sticker boxes just for decoration. I feel like this week's going to be really busy, so I'm not getting as many of them put in as I would have liked to. There are some absolutely gorgeous ones in this kit. It's got kind of a, I'm trying to think of that movie. What is the movie that's kind of Halloween-like? It's got the two sisters, and they have two aunts that live in this really old house. I can't think of it. But anyway, the vibe of this kit reminds me of the old house in the movie. If I think of the movie, I'll put it in the notes. But it's not Hocus Pocus. I can't remember what it is. And it's one of my favorites, so that's really weird. But anyway, and the purple hair is just awesome. I really love that one. I wish I had the confidence to rock purple hair like that. It's gorgeous. But anyway, I'm still having an issue with getting everything straight, and with this particular sticker paper, once it's down, and you can't fix it. So I'm kind of out of luck, but oh well. I'm just starting to put in my today stickers. I really like putting those in just to sort of keep all the colors tied together. Next year I'll probably go with the neutral version of the planner instead of the colorful version, just because to have the lines and the headers and stuff not matching the sticker kits I'm using kind of bugs me. But not too much. So I'll just let it go for this year. But next one, definitely, I think, neutral. Have a lot to do this week. I'm still having to check back and look and see how I did the weeks before because, as I said in previous videos, I haven't done I haven't done that many layouts. It's been a long time since I used a planner like this, and I've been out of even bullet journaling for several months, so I'm actually feeling kind of inspired by another YouTube planner who uses a bullet journal and an Erin Condren planner together. It is very interesting, and I can see some definite uses for that. So I'm considering going back to that, but we'll see. And here's all the little to-do headers. And okay, so I apologize that it has suddenly gotten very dark, but I don't have any good lights to turn on here, and the camera still seems to be working okay, so I'm just going to go with it. Today, I don't even know. For tonight, we're going to be super original, and we're going to have hamburger helper. That is if husband ever gets home because he's working late. Tomorrow, I have work 16:30 to 2000. I don't know what we'll do for dinner. I also have a lab at 13:10. There is a science group meeting at noon. Sorry about the puppy again. I also wanted to take my stack of used books to the bookstore and see what kind of store credit I can get. Wednesday I have a biology assignment that's due. Speaking of, on Friday I have a bio exam. Thursday I have work 04 to 08. Woohoo, look at me getting up early. Saturday I have work 8 to noon. Also have chem homework. I get nervous when I try to write on camera for some reason and I'm like scribbling. I have chem homework. I have stats homework. Today I need to check on a stats tutor. I'm not doing nearly as well as I would like to in that class, and so I really need to get on that. Today, what did I do today? I stopped by the other local used bookstore, which is nice and a phenomenal place, and I love it, but it is kind of really out of my way. I'm never in that part of town. And I had a bio assignment that was due today, a biogenetics assignment, which is already done. but I like writing things down so I can check them off. See, I stopped by the bookstore, I submitted the genetics assignment. You hear my dog protesting. He doesn't like being, yeah, see, he doesn't like being shut in the other room. Samson! Samson! Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I feel like I had other things I needed to do. Let's see. Go up here, fill this in, walk Noah. Read. Okay, well, my camera quit recording partway through that. So since it was already getting dark, I just kind of gave up and decided I would film the rest of it this morning. And I went ahead and filled in most of the first 3 days of this week. What did I do with my pen? There it is. So obviously yesterday, Monday, is already gone. Today I have a lab at 1:10. I have a science meeting right before that. I was going to take my used books to the store, but I transferred that to tomorrow. I've already got a lot to do. I was trying to edit this video, haha, today. I have work this evening. I had a book review I wanted to write. I also have chemistry homework, stats homework, and biology homework. I already finished my French homework. I did that yesterday, actually. So let's put that over here because I like to check things off. It just gives me such a feeling of accomplishment, see? I know, it's silly. Wednesday I have a biology assignment due. I have a meeting with my stats / quantitative biology tutor. I did get that done last night. I have a 2:15 meeting with the biology professor. I do want to take the used books to the store. I need to get my niece a birthday card, and I want to move a shelf that's downstairs, upstairs, so I can put some books on it in the family room. Don't have any bookshelves in the family room. I feel like I really need to fix that. I want to make peanut butter treats for the pups. And Thursday I don't have class, but I will have homework, I am sure. I don't know what it will be yet, so all these are still blank. But I also want to work on the pups. I have puppy class at 7 p.m., but before all that, I want to clip both dogs' nails, give them both baths, clean their ears, etc., etc. Woohoo! Friday, have class again. I'm not exactly sure what kind of homework I'll have for the weekend. Saturday, I work. Sunday, I really hope that we can go to this Peaks of Otter hike I've been wanting to do. Would really like to do that. Saturday, I also have a Book Blitz blog post that should go up. And then as far as the habit tracker, I put walk Noah, read, write, and create. Those are the 4 things I'm really trying to do every day for my physical and mental health. Yeah, yesterday I did write. That was about it. Today, so far, I have I knitted for a little while while I listened to a biology lecture. I wrote a letter, and we'll see if I get to walk Noah before I have to go to class and then to work today, because I still have to go to the grocery store. That's on there. Did I put that on there? Yes. Okay, I still have to go to the grocery store and get a couple items. But yeah, so that's my week this week. Again, the planner kit is from PlannerOneLove. She does a whole bunch of beautiful freebies. Definitely check them out. And let me know what you think of the spread this week. Or if you have any suggestions about how to better use the stickers in this planner, since they're not designed for this planner. If you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. If you enjoyed the video, click like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.